Find calm and inner peace. Welcome to this peaceful meditation. Give yourself permission to slow down. Settle into a comfortable position. Let your body gently relax. Close your eyes if you feel comfortable. Take a slow, deep breath in. Exhale with ease and softness. Allow your breathing to become steady. Feel yourself becoming more present. Release the pace of the outside world. This moment belongs only to you. Notice the rhythm of your breath. Each breath brings gentle calm. Each exhale releases tension. Let your shoulders soften. Relax your face and your jaw. Allow your hands to rest. Feel your body becoming lighter. Imagine a peaceful lake at sunrise. The water is perfectly still. Soft golden light touches the surface. The air feels fresh and quiet. You breathe in this peaceful scene. Feel calm flowing through you. Like gentle ripples on the water. Every breath brings more stillness. Every exhale brings more peace. Your thoughts begin to settle. Your heart feels safe and quiet. You are exactly where you need to be. There is nothing to hurry. There is nothing to prove. Only this peaceful breath. Only this peaceful moment. Imagine warm sunlight around you. It gently fills your heart. It brings comfort and peace. Feel gratitude for this quiet time. Allow peace to grow within. Your breathing remains slow. Your body feels deeply relaxed. Your mind becomes clearer. Your heart becomes open. You welcome calm with every breath. You welcome peace with every exhale. Rest in this gentle stillness. Feel completely supported. You are surrounded by quiet. You are surrounded by light. Breathe in peaceful energy. Breathe out every burden. Your spirit feels lighter. Your thoughts become gentle. Your heart is filled with hope. Inner peace is already within you. Allow yourself to enjoy it. Rest quietly in this moment. Feel calm flowing through your whole being. Continue breathing with peaceful awareness. Notice the peace growing within you. Allow this calm to deepen. Imagine a gentle breeze around you. It carries away every worry. Only peace remains. Feel the quiet all around you. Listen to the stillness within. Your breath is slow and steady. Your heartbeat is calm. Every moment brings greater ease. Imagine standing in a peaceful meadow. Wildflowers sway in the breeze. The morning air feels refreshing. Birds sing softly in the distance. Nature welcomes you with peace. Breathe in fresh new energy. Exhale anything you no longer need. Feel your spirit becoming lighter. Feel your mind becoming brighter. Peace surrounds every breath. Peace fills every thought. Peace rests within your heart. Trust this peaceful feeling. It will always be here for you. You are connected to the present. You are connected to yourself. You are connected to life. Take another slow, deep breath. Feel calm flowing through your body. Feel peace filling your mind. Your heart feels open. Your spirit feels free. Let kindness guide your thoughts. Let compassion guide your actions. Carry peace wherever you go. Share your calm with others. Take a long, gentle inhale. Exhale slowly with gratitude. Notice the calm inside you. Notice the quiet around you. Feel completely at ease. Rest in this peaceful space. Take one more mindful breath. Allow yourself to smile gently. You have found your center. You have found your inner peace. Remember this peaceful feeling. Return to it whenever you wish. Begin bringing awareness back. Notice your breathing once more. Notice your body resting here. Gently move your fingers. Slowly move your toes. Stretch if it feels comfortable. Take one final deep breath in. Exhale with complete peace. Carry this calm into your day. Carry this peace into your heart. May your journey be filled with light. May peace remain with you always.